Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can easily uninstall programs on Windows 11. So let me show you how. If this video will be helpful, definitely write down below in the comments that it helped you for other people when they would come here. Go to bottom, next to the search is start button, right click on the start button, and then what you want to do is under task manager you're going to see settings. Click on the settings. Then when you have it, under personalization, you're going to see apps, click on it. So when we're here, click on apps and features. And just wait until it's going to load. And when you have it, search apps. Oh, you want to write, let's say, Groove. And what we're going to do, 3 dots and uninstall. And this is how you can simply uninstall programs in Windows 11. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask me down in comments. If this video helped you, also write down below in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.